So yeah, boys, just got some scores to settle here. Man, look at this. And I'm telling you, stank in this. Oh, jeez. Oh, boys, almost went down. I can never get through with the Kodiak. I tried 2 different times, and she was no joke. Okay, boys, here it is. I've driven by this spot twice and said, hey, I'm gonna hit it one of these days. Well, today's the day. Yeah! Boys, freaking hit her again. Oh yeah, I blew the doors right off it. Oh my god, let me tell you, this freaking thing stinks. Like, it stinks so bad because it has not been disturbed. And we're trying a couple spots I've never tried before because there was just no point because I couldn't do it. That was then, this is now. So this one, it's a short, deep little thing. It's not really got any mud in it, but holy frig, it's steep. And then there's another one just up ahead, and it's it doesn't look like much, but holy frig, it's got a lot of mud in it. I'd be surprised if I actually made it through. This is just freaking steep. Whoa, yeah. I liked how the 4-wheel drive worked right there. That was sweet. Oh, so far today, mud hole 0, Newtonator 2. Now, you see this one here? This one I know is pretty gnarly. But I bet you, if you go this way, your best shot, because this is really steep. And you know what we're doing here today, boys? We're trying shit, and you know what? I gotta try this one. Like, gotta try. Okay, boys, my prediction is I'm winching out of this one, but we don't know until we really try, do we? Whoa-ho-ho! Whoa-ho-ho! We're not winching out of that. Cryptids to the win. Oh, yeah. We freaking wasted that. There's a little tricky right here. That was the tricky part. I was worried about it there, but clutching so far. Thumbs up. Oh, I like. Okay, boys, I gotta tell you, man, is that ever exhilarating, just wasting those holes? Oh, that felt great. There's another little one here. Like, I mean, it just feels so awesome to hit some stuff, like different things. Oh man, it's freaking cool. It's a great feeling. This could be a little tricky. Ah, no, not really. Well, I'm getting the feel for the machine, and the feel is, it feels good. Feels good. Now, I know it's not a big mud machine, which is not what I'm looking for. And boy, oh boy, that sure is deep down there, eh? That is deep. Oh, it's just capable to hit some mud holes. We'll get some snorkels going so that we can do some deeper water stuff. Not that I want to cross, like, you know, deep water shit, but if you got to get through somewhere, you can. So what I was saying before was you know, I'm really getting that feel for the machine, how it handles, the throttle response, all that stuff. You know, getting a feel for the width of it and handling. Boy, it certainly does eat the bumps way better than the old girl. And no offense to the old machine, but she was good for what she could do. And but this is a whole nother level. Whole nother level. So folks, that's gonna be it for today. We came, we conquered. So far, 2 thumbs up. Liking the machine a lot.